All right, guys. In order to get to the motor mount, you gotta lift this up and just pull it to the side like this right here, guys. So yeah, just pull it to the side. You got your bolts right here to get to the motor mount. All right, let's go. Before removing the motor mount, slide the jack up under the motor with a piece of wood and jack up on it 3 times. Leave them jack up under it until you're done with it. I repeat, because you're going to do some shifting around. Guys, what you're going to need right now is a 15 to take the socket right off. Take the socket off right there. See? I'll take this one right here off too. Right here. And get up in there. All right, guys. So this 18 to take off these 2 bolts right here. And I know you're not supposed to use them, but that's what I'm using it. See, that's why you're not supposed to use a drill to take the bolts off. But hey. This bolt here came off. All right, guys. This bolt did not come off. So. Alright guys, pause that camera. So guys, so now that 1 and 2, the 18 bolts moved out, so now you can just grab it like this right here. And be careful guys, because the car is gonna move. So look how bad this motor mount is. Look, bro. It's about to literally fall apart. Look, it's falling apart in my hand right now. I'm gonna show y'all guys the new one. This is fucking crazy right here, man. See, family of the jacks and stuff like this happens. It's a no-go, man. Neo, bring me the other part, son. What's that? Right on the back of the truck. As you can see, guys, look at this new part. Now, I guarantee her car gonna start shaking. Look, ain't even about to fall down. Look at the old part. Oh, man, look. Come on, man. Come on, man. What the hell is going on right there? Come on, man. I ain't talking, what? Hello, Kiana. Come the other dogs. Alright, so see the difference, right? Totally different, right? One talking, the other one ain't talking. So what I gotta do now, guys, is push this motor up a little further so I can line these bolts up. Once I line them up, screw them down. Screw them down in place like that right there. Yes, sir. they all the same, just new stuff on them. So I got that one in there, guys. Put this bolt in there too. Shout out to my daughter Kiana behind the camera. Earlier it was Neo. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is tighten these up right here, folks. We're gonna slide this motor. Holding this motor. All right, so you gotta lift up back here, so you can see the bolt. It's a bolt back here, right here. So I'm gonna tighten them up. What I'm gonna do now, guys, is let the jack off the motor so you can see it fall down. So my daughter gonna put the camera on the motor right now, so I can show y'all when it falls down. And make sure you show the motor mount too, camera. The motor mount will be on there. So we're gonna let it down now. Ready, camera? You see that, guys? It fell right in place. Perfectly. Perfect. Perfect. All right, Miss Kim. Thank you, boo. All right. Everything on there flush. Nice and ready to go. I guarantee once you crank it up now, she ain't gonna feel no vibration. All right, guys. So what I'm doing right now, guys, is putting the coolant reservoir back into place. It gently just snap in just like that right there. And thank y'all guys for tuning in to my channel, Family of the Jacks, and I'm out of here. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe.